Hello and welcome back to our series on Node.js tutorials. In our last video we talked about uploading a file or multiple files using Express File Upload. Today we will go over how to upload the file directly to the Cloudinary or CDN. At this point, many of you wondering what is Cloudinary. Cloudinary is a cloud service that offers a solution to a web application's entire image management pipeline. Try it right away. I have provided the sign up link in the description box. Sign up for a free account so that you can try uploading images there. Installing Cloudinary for our Node.js project is very simple. You simply need to run npm install or npm I Cloudinary. Press enter. Cloudinary is added for my project and its version is 1.14.0. Now open the editor and require the Cloudinary library. So we have imported the v2 version of Cloudinary for the project. Now you need to set the API key, cloud name and API secret for Cloudinary v2 version. So I have already copied the cloud name, API secret and API key for this project, and you can find all these values, or you can take out the values of these three parameters from here, from Cloudinary console. So this is the cloud name, API key and secret. Just copy these values and paste it in your file inside this configuration object. So save the file. Now you need to go inside the upload API. So this is the method which we created in our last session. Just comment out this code from line number 20 to 29. Just comment it and try to log the value of file. Save the file. Now go to your terminal and restart the server. So the server has started on port 3000. Now go to your Postman, click on the send button, go to the terminal and see the value. So it has name, data, size, encoding and temp file path. Earlier it was empty, if you remember. Now we have used temp files to true. At the top of this file, use temp files to true. After setting this value, we are getting temp file path and it has some value. It means that our file has been uploaded to this particular location on the server. Now what we need to do, we need to just upload the file from temporary file path to the server. We will go to the file again. Now we need to use the upload method of Cloudinary to upload the file from temporary file location to the Cloudinary server. So it has two parameters. The first one is the location from where we want to upload our file. The second one is the callback function. It has again two parameters, error and result. Error has some value if there is some problem in uploading the file, and result has some value if the file has successfully uploaded there on Cloudinary. So let's log both the values. Save the file, go to the terminal and restart the server. Just clear it out first and restart the server node.index.js. Now go to the Postman and hit the same request. Go to the console and see the output. So it has printed error undefined, and this is the result. This is the public key of my file and version, signature, and this is the URL of my file. I can directly open this file in my browser and see if the file is uploaded or not. Just copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Enter. So it is loading. So this is the file which I have uploaded from the Postman to the server. So what now? Let it open. Now go to the editor and update the code. Return the response instead of printing it here. Return the response to the Postman. res.send success true and return the result. Just save the file, go to the Postman and restart the server. Just clear everything. Hit the same API from Postman. Now see what we get. So I have the result in the console. It says success true, and this is the result with all the information about the uploaded file, like the public ID, version, signature. This is the public URL of the file, which can be directly downloaded from the browser. So let me conclude everything. I did two changes. I set the value of useTemp files to true. By setting the value of useTemp files to true, I am getting a temporary file path of my newly uploaded file. Second, I set the configurations for Cloudinary. I set the value of cloud name, API key, API secret according to the values being displayed on their portal. At last, I have used the upload method of Cloudinary uploader. It has two parameters, the temporary file path and the callback method. The callback method has two parameters, error and result. Error has some value if there is some problem while uploading the file. Result had some value if the file has uploaded successfully on Cloudinary server. At last, I have returned the response to the request originator. So try creating a new project, sign up to Cloudinary, upload your files and ask for the problems in the comment box. Thank you for listening.